In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Frigidaire washing machine. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, in order to fix a Frigidaire washing machine, you'll first need to identify the issue. So some common issues and fixes. So if your washer won't start, you can check the power. So ensure it's plugged in and the outlet is working. And then check the door lid switch. If the lid isn't fully closed on or the switch is faulty, the washer won't start. Also, on the control board or timer, inspect for burn marks or damages. You might need to replace the faulty lid switch or control board if needed. Alright, if the washer won't drain, sometimes there can be a clogged drain hose or pump, so check for foreign objects that can block the drainage pipes. If you got a drain pump failure, listen for humming or clicking with no water movement. To fix this, just clean the drain hose and filter and replace the pump if it is defective. Now, if your washer won't spin, unbalanced load, you can redistribute the clothes. Worn drive belt, check for slack or wear. The motor control board, if it doesn't engage, it might be faulty. To fix, replace the drive belt or motor control board if necessary. Now, if we've got any leaking water, it could be for a few different reasons. So hose connection, so check fill and drain hoses for cracks or loose fittings. Door sill, front load, inspect for tears or build-up. Pump or tub, look for cracks or leaks. To fix this, replace damaged hose or seals, clean any soap build-up on door gaskets. And now, if you're getting any error codes on display, so Frigidaire washers often show codes like E41, E21 or E11. Look up your washer's model user manual or search online for that specific code. Then once you've found that specific code, address the issue indicating by the error code. For example, E21 is a drainage problem.